Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. But before we do that, I want to address something because I've been missing for 2 weeks. That's because I just became a father. I became a father. My little baby just came and hey, let me show you. I took a lot of pictures and look at this guy. Look at this guy. Can you see him? Look at this guy. He's just 2 weeks old. 14 days. Oh my god. A little baby. Little baby! I just became a father. How amazing is that? How amazing. So when I was holding him, right, when he was just born and I was holding him, I was like, okay, you wouldn't know what's the meaning of true love until you hold your child for the first time and you realize this is true love. This is really what it means to live a life that is meaningful. And oh man, that was amazing experience. So yeah, and I've been running around here and there, and the hospitals have been you've been going in and out of hospitals. You need to check up, and after that he has jaundice and you have to do phototherapy and go in and out, and it's like we're kind of adjusting to things. And yeah, it's been a very busy 2 weeks, so that's why you haven't been seeing updates. But I've been updating in private though, with the boys in Patreon. But in public, yeah, I just the things are a bit chaotic at the moment. So yeah, there we go. Anyway, I'm back. I feel like things are stabilizing. So yeah, I'm back. Anyway, let's get straight into it. Right. We're gonna do a top 10. We're gonna start with Bitcoin, followed by Ethereum, BNB, Solana, XRP, Dogecoin, and with Toncoin at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Shall we? Daddy skinny. Mini skinny. That's a mini skinny. Anyway, here we are for BTC. Okay, the thing I don't like about BTC is that we are already slicing through the skinny pink line. I suspect a third slice would mean that we are collapsing. I'm not so sure what's going to happen here, but if we really do fall, right, I feel like this could be the sign that Kamala could be winning the elections, right? If DJT wins, I suspect even if you do fall, we will see a strong rally eventually. But as it stands, I'm not too sure. Right? Even the chart pattern is a very big continuation chart pattern. It's a broadening wedge. Broadening wedges are bullish continuation. Previous trend was bullish, so we're anticipating the subsequent trend to be bullish. But if you look into the nuances of the chart pattern, you will see that there's also a rising channel kind of a chart pattern. Right, I'm leaning towards a new all-time high though, but I'm gonna have to wait and see how it goes. Hang on, a bit of a yeah. So again, here we are for BTC. I'm not too sure if BTC starts curving back down again. So, I just don't want BTC to touch the skinny pink line, because if you touch it, then it's not good. If you just keep rising, great. This whole thing could be a very, very big. You can also see this as an inverse head and shoulders. Very big inverse head and shoulders as we slice higher. Right. So yeah, there are clear classes of stop buys over here. If you go to CoinGlass, right? CoinGlass liquidation levels. Liquidation map, correct. And you will see that what is this? Heat map model 2. Hey, so you can see that for BTC, right? Huge orders waiting here, right? That could be liquidated. But of course, at the same time, we could be dropping to the 30,000s as well. Lots of stuff here. So we are not too sure whether we're going to be going up first, and after that we come down, or we go down first before we hit higher, right? So yeah, you got to be very, very careful. Things are still not really that obvious yet. Again, we're still leaning towards the upside, but the only coins which I see have bullish potential are the meme coins. Funny enough, right? Very volatile. But a lot of other coins are pointing towards the downside. Ethereum, for example, we're still anticipating more downside for Ethereum. We've had this target for some time, at 0.0364, we're at 0.03911. So again, more downside to come for ETH I don't think it's done yet. So more downside. I honestly think that ETH is gonna still lose dominance for a while against BTC, and I suspect that we are already in the midst of a wave C. Right, A, B, down for C, D, E, and then only do we see a spectacular breakout for Ethereum. But as it stands, we are already under the skinny pink line, right? And if you look at Ethereum, this is a bearish continuation chart pattern. It's a bearish continuation. Even if we were to go higher, right, I would assume that the skinny pink line would act as strong resistance, and this could become a head and shoulders. But as it stands, this could be becoming a descending triangle as we head lower for ETHUSD. So watch out for that. Ethereum is bearish to me, so be careful about rushing to a trade too soon. I would assume that Ethereum would drop down to about, yeah, to take out these lows. This is my anticipation for Ethereum to take out these lows here. So watch out for this 1,002, I think. Yeah, we're probably going to be taking this out. So yeah, this is the one to look for, right? Once it drops to like sub 1,003, right, I think it's a good price to make an entry. There you go. That's my take for Ethereum. It's bearish. It's bearish. BNB, yes sir. BNB against BTC. Here we are for BNB. BNB is still above the skinny pink line, so it is still largely bullish, right? And we're consolidating. If the preceding trend is bullish, we're expecting the subsequent trend to be bullish as well. Where are we going to find resistance? Again, here. There's a bit of a noise here. So we're probably going to find a resistance, some resistance here before continuing higher. We might just clear all of these classes of buys, potentially, right? But yeah, I will assume that we'll stop around this area. Around 0.011, somewhere around there. So I'm still bias bullish for BNB BTC. It's not losing as much of its dominance against BTC as Ethereum is. BNB against USD, okay, we were anticipating a breakout over here. We did break out, clear all the clusters of buys over here, and then we started reversing back down. And yeah, so here we are. If we were to see BNB, right, do something like this, then this will be a descending. We're dropping lower because we've already touched the skinny pink line. And this is not good. This is not good. So even if we were to go a little bit higher, I suspect that eventually we will still come back under the skinny pink line. So like over here, right, the moment you touch the skinny pink line, that's it. You better prepare your heart for more downside, right? And this whole thing could also become a very big ABC kind of a chart pattern as we head lower, right? Again, noisy area over here, around 300s for BNB potentially. So be very, very careful about rushing in long for BNB. Sol against BTC. Here we are for Sol. Yo, bro. Solana. Okay, Solana has also touched the skinny pink line. Sure, we may see a rally. Sure, we may clear all these clusters of buys first before heading lower. But I'm still anticipating Solana to eventually come back under the skinny pink line. Previously, once we crossed the skinny pink line, right? Yes, we did cross back up, but we didn't sustain the move. And eventually, it just collapsed lower. So this could be the same thing. A mini rally, clearing all these clusters of buys before coming back down. So technically, the charts are not looking good. The charts are looking bearish to me. So if anything, we should be preparing to open shots for crypto in general, right? Only the meme coins are looking pretty good in general. Sol against USD. Here we are for Sol. Same thing. We're also hitting the skinny pink line. I suspect we are falling lower for Solana. Right. Again, we might clear these clusters of buys and maybe clear this as well. Right. This whole thing becomes a head and shoulders. This will be an even more powerful reversal chart pattern if it forms a head and shoulders. Oh, that'll be bad. So we'll see how it goes first, though. We'll see. I mean, of course, if it does spike out, then great. Right. We will wait for a retrace, make an entry, and take the ride to the moon. But as it stands, I don't like what I see for Solana. So be very, very careful. XRP against BTC. Okay, so for XRP, we've hit the skinny pink line that acted as resistance. And now we're dropping lower. Right? Just a gentle reminder that XRP has a huge head and shoulders. Absolute gigantic. Left shoulder, hit, right shoulder. XRP could be heading here. Oh boy, we could be clearing this. Oh my god. It's a very, very big head and shoulders. This could be the collapse of BTC. I mean, XRP against BTC. We're not too sure ourselves. So be very, very careful. Even XRP against USD, right? We actually did see this. This is an A, down, up, B, C, D, E, right? There was a breakout, right? The wheels clear all the classes of buys here, 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 here. And then they pulled the price lower. So you'd be like, what? It invalidates the bullishness of the entire thing. And now this is becoming a head and shoulders. This is not good news. If anything, I would anticipate XRP to at least clear these classes of sells over here. Right, going down to 38 cents. We're now at 54 cents. To be honest, right, if you look at the price action, when we rise, it's very slow. When we fall, it's so damn fast. Not good. It's not good. It's not good. We don't like this kind of movement. We want it to be fast up, slow down. But this is slow up, fast down, right? Could this be another slow up, fast down again? We don't like what we see. So, yeah, that's XRP for you. Dogecoin, Doge against BTC. Here we are for Dogecoin. Even Dogecoin is, we were saying that we'll probably come to this area, right? Very likely heading towards this area. So, be careful about rushing in though for Doge BTC. Doge against USD. Yeah, again, same thing, just like XRP. Oh my god, it's a very big descending triangle, right? Dogecoin is tied to Elon, and Elon is tied to DJT. And again, if Kamala wins, that's it. That's it. So we'll have to see how it goes, right? Even the chart pattern is not, again, technicals is very poor though. Under the skinny pink line, we attempted to break back above the skinny pink line, but we failed. We came back down. I would love to see something like this though. And then we stay above the skinny pink line, right? Something like BNB. BNB is strong. But Dogecoin, yeah, nope. Nope. Be very careful. We might drop to this area though. First. Yeah, be careful. Doesn't look that good to me. Toncoin. Ton against BTC. Here we are for Ton. BIP next. Yeah, we're also very close to the skinny pink line. The moment we slice through, right, it's the start of bearish season. And we could be heading towards this noisy area over here. At around 6,000. Right now at 8,004. We haven't crossed the skinny pink line yet. There could be surprises though for Toncoin. Ooh. But as it stands, yeah, not looking good. So stay safe. Ton against USD, we've touched it. This is already a sign that Ton could be heading much lower, right? And we've already noticed the head and shoulders over here. Right? If we were to fall, I suspect it's going to be a very fast one. Right? Yeah, I would love to see a strong rally though, but as it stands, it's very weak. But we actually have a target over here at 1350. It's again, once we cross the skinny pink line, and if there's a retrace, right, a rally, but if there's a bearish continuation, right, then yeah, that's it. We're not going to 1350 immediately, right? The best thing that could happen, best bullish thing is that we do a strong rally, don't take out these highs, consolidate before continuing higher. Something like that would be the absolute best bullish case scenario. But as it stands, yeah, Toncoin doesn't really look that good. So only BNB though, to be honest, only BNB has potential against BTC. So if anything, I will still go back to BTC. I will still be monitoring BTC's movements. It has to stay above the skinny pink line. And it must not be completing mountains. The moment it starts completing mountains, we're probably going to come back down to form a very big potential head and shoulders. Right? If we do a rally all the way up here, right, it could be a very, very big breakout coming on. And we could be heading towards we have about 93,000, right, the target. But as it stands, yeah, we'll take things one step at a time. I don't really like this touch of the skinny pink line. Right? This is really a warning sign, to be honest. Right? This is something to pay attention to, not to take lightly. We've touched it twice. So yeah, be very, very careful. Right? Even if you were to rally, I suspect eventually we'll still come back down. So stay safe, boys and girls. Alright, I guess that's it for today's top 10. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!